Hey child, welcome back to my channel. So I was contacted by the company Fortify'd Naturals, and they were just like, hey, do you want to partner together on the video? What made me say yes? Because I'm very selective on the partnerships and sponsorships that I take. What made me say yes was she gave me the opportunity to actually try the products off camera, get to know the formulas, the ingredients, and see if I really like the ingredients. And then y'all know how I am about Black woman-owned businesses. Even though I wasn't able to keep up with Black Girl Friday just because of scheduling, I ride when it comes to us. So I'm very, very happy to partner with Tracy on this. So thank you, Fortify'd Naturals, for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and get this video started. Hey, child. Products to get through. So I have the 100% Moroccan Rasoul clay mask, the Sage Infused black soap shampoo, the growth enhancing moisture therapy, the strength and repair reconstructing deep conditioner, the hydrating leave-in conditioner, and the intense hydrating potion. So in this video I'm going to use everything except for the deep conditioner, only because I already used it and I actually really like it. What I found about this strengthening and repair reconstructing deep conditioner was it was actually moisturizing, but because they are so big on we don't give you things that's going to add buildup on your hair, the moisture can lean towards lightweight. So I really do like it. It will not add buildup on your hair. I found it to be moisture and protein balanced. This was enjoyable. So in this bowl I have the Moroccan clay mask. I already mixed it offline just to keep the video from being too long. This probably gonna be messy boots, honey, but we're gonna do it anyway. So I'm gonna just take some on my hair. And the reason that she's had me use this was because she was like, I really want you to get the benefit of the actual products. And I find that if you have buildup on your hair from other product lines or anything like that, you may not enjoy it as much. So it is best to go ahead and start with a completely clean slate by clarifying your hair, removing any buildup, any excessive oils or anything like that, so that you can really receive the benefit of the product. So I'm just gonna apply this right here, rinse it out, and then I'm gonna come back and get into the shampoo and all the other stuff. So I feel like I'm giving, if I had a part down the middle, y'all know on Sister when Roger had his middle part and he had the never mind, I'll be back. So I just rinsed out my hair. If you're not familiar with Moroccan Rasoul clay, it's really good for removing product buildup. And listen, I'm not gonna lie to you, I've always done bentonite clay. This is my first time with Rasoul clay, but get into this hair, honey. Yeah, so if you're not familiar with how to mix this together, you just take water and apple cider vinegar and make a paste out of it, and this is what I was left with. I'm really happy with it. So let's get into this shampoo. It is the Sage Infused black soap shampoo. It has black soap, olive oil, and peppermint oil. It's for low to high porosity hair. It's for all hair types. Now, first time I used it, I was like, I felt like I ate a York peppermint patty and then went to the water fountain at church, took a sip of water, and was just like, ooh, like it just opened up the pores and everything. This felt amazing. And I've always kind of stayed away from black soap shampoo because my skin can be a little sensitive at times. But the first time I used this, I absolutely loved it. I'm hoping I have that same result for the second time. So I'm just applying it to my hair. You use this little nozzle, put it on your scalp, and just put it on your hair or whatever, your scalp. Hair, scalp, girl, y'all know what I mean. Child. My hair look good, okay? That's just what mother had to say about that. Them curls is popping. So I'm gonna just continue to work this, and this feels so good. Y'all, I love the way my scalp is feeling right now. Like I could just keep applying this. Like it's something about that peppermint and that water mixed together. It's doing something to me, honey. It's doing something. So I'm gonna just keep working in the lather. Go ahead and rinse it out. We're gonna come back for the next step. But right now, mother is obsessed with this shampoo, and that's facts. And what I will say also, in the first time that I used it, I did not feel kind of like, you know how sometimes black soap can give you like a little bit of a waxy feeling? This feels like black soap for sure, but it's not super waxy, so I don't feel like I'm getting buildup on my hair. This shampoo is bomb. So let me go ahead and rinse it out, come back for the next step. And we're back in this thing, and my opinion on the black soap shampoo remains the same. It not only cleansed my hair very well, and it pairs very well with the Rasul clay mask. My hair feels so strong and so clean. But what I like about this particular shampoo is some DIY African black soap shampoos can leave your hair feeling very stripped. This clarified my hair. My hair feels squeaky clean, but my hair is not stripped at all. My hair actually feels moisturized. She done made a believe out of me. So let's go into the conditioner. What I have in front of me is the growth enhancing moisture therapy. It's for growth, scalp relief, and for hydration. It has chamomile, linden flower, safflower oil, and aloe vera. Once again, all of her stuff is super clean ingredients. She doesn't do silicones or anything like that. From what I remember, I found this to be a very lightweight dose of moisture. Like, I definitely felt some moisture and hydration, but it was more so on the lighter weight side because again, she's very anti buildup and things that will clog your hair strands, and I 100% understand that. So let's go on and get into it with it. So it is very creamy. I got way too much, but honey, you know mother gonna be heavy-handed anyway, so I'm just rub it on together. It has a lightweight consistency. Like, it's not a super thick cream. It looks that way in the bottle, but once you get it in your hand, it's more so a little more runny than it is thick and creamy, but that usually means for great slip for me. So I'm hoping that that's the experience that I have this time as well. I'm rubbing it on here really good just to make sure my hair gets all the moisture that it needs, because even though my hair doesn't feel stripped, at the same time it will still clarify. So I want to make sure I got enough moisture in there. Didn't I say I used too much? And look at me adding some more. Child, that's just how I am. So the instructions say to put a plastic cap on and allow it to sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm actually going to do that and use some heat as well, just because my hair just be drinking up conditioner, and I like to put some heat on it to make sure it gets all in there. So I got to bring out the big homie, the person who actually owns this channel. I'm just a guest. She really run this thing. Y'all know who it is. How you doing? How you doing? So I'm putting my plastic cap on. Honey, this thing filling on up. Ain't you? Look at, wait, okay. They just humbled me real quick, just like humbled me. So I'm gonna get under the dryer and let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, allow my hair to really just get a real luxurious spa experience. I'm gonna rinse it out and come back and we're gonna go to the next step. And we're back. I just rinsed out my hair, and y'all, listen, when I tell you my hair is so pillowy soft, I am highly impressed. Let's hope that I still feel the same about this leave-in conditioner. It's the hydrating leave-in. I remember the first time I used it, I was like, oh, this feels real slippery, and I loved it. It comes out more so loose. This smells, I listen, I just got to be honest with you. If you've ever used Jergens liquid soap before, that's exactly what this smells like. I don't know if this has like almond oil or something in it, but this smells just like Jergens. So I'm just working it in, and it does have so much slip immediately to the touch. But y'all know how I get down when it comes to leave-ins. I'm always gonna put a cap on top of my leave-in just to help it to really absorb into my hair, especially because this line, again, is focusing on not using products that would have buildup. So I really want to make sure that my hair absorbs all of this. So I'm put my cap on, let it sit for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna come back and we're gonna get to the styling portion. And I'm back again looking real crazy, but it's time to style my hair. What I can say about that leave-in is the slip on it is incredible, and I kind of anticipated it when I pushed it out of the bottle and saw that it had a little bit of runniness to it. That usually means slip for my hair. The moisture was great. Detangling was a breeze. Like, I really, like, every single thing I've touched so far, I'm in love with. So it's time to get into this potion. It is the Intense Hydration Potion. It's the Hydrate, Style, and Define. I'm gonna keep it real with you, Chief. I don't have the type of hair that can do a cream only style. Like, I could, but because my shrinkage is so violently small, the shrinkage causes it to not look defined, and it kind of starts looking really bushy and just not that cute. So I am going to use this cream styler, but I'm going to put a mousse on top, and that's the tip that I have for you. If your hair is finer than mine, if your curls are a little looser than mine, you can definitely use this on its own. But for me, I need a little bit of help because that shrinkage just gets real disrespectful. So I'm going to put this on and top it with a mousse. So okay, so it is a creamy formula. So I'm going to just take some of this and just rub it through this entire section, and just like really run my fingers through it just so my hair can get this moisture. And ooh, it is defining. Y'all see that? It's defining. Like, it's definitely defining, but like, again, I know my hair, my shrinkage don't take all that definition right on the way. So I'm gonna put a little bit more. Oh. Okay, just take some of this and put that on top. Run my fingers through that. And I'm going to attempt a flat twist. And I say attempt because, honey, these nails is something vicious. So let's see if we can pull this off. We did. Okay, so that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to apply this potion all over my hair and then put a little mousse on top just to lock it in. Again, the mousse is not mandatory. I just know that my hair has a lot of shrinkage, and in order to get the best style, I need something to add a little bit extra hold to it. So overall, it feels extremely hydrating. Like I'm real. Ooh, baby, look at this twist. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Child, these twists is something juicy. Mother likes that. Period, honey. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do to the remainder of my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and flat twist it, come back, and show you my results. And here are my final results, y'all. Since I've been natural on and off, y'all know how I get down, but on and off for a while, I've never done a curly mohawk. And as I was taking down my twist out, I was like, you know what? Let's try it. I like my little hair, y'all. I'm gonna keep playing with it or whatever, but I think that's cute and it's different for me. I've never done this look. So back to the Fortify'd Naturals products. Every single product I absolutely love. Super clean ingredients, extremely moisturizing. My hair feels very moisturized and soft to the touch. What I will say about this hydrating potion, which is the styling product from this line, is because they are so anti-buildup, the formula, it leaves a soft hold. So if you want something firmer, like I said before, definitely consider a mousse or a gel on top. I did a mousse and my hair still has more of a softer hold. So if I wanted something that was really long lasting, I may pair it with a gel, but that's just because of my hair type. For y'all, everything in this line is bomb. I love my hair. Listen, I cannot believe I got a mohawk, but let me tell you something though. Even though I did the mohawk, I want y'all to get into this definition. This, listen, do you see it? Do you see it? That's all I gotta say. Do you see it? Y'all, I like my hair today. It was something different and I'm very happy that I tried it. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. Me love you long time. Maki Dada. Make sure y'all check out Fortify'd Naturals, especially because Black Friday is coming up. You definitely want to stock up now while you can. And yeah, that's it. Bye-bye. Wait, I forgot to give you the 360. So, get into it. Yes, yes. Mother got a mohawk, mother got a mohawk, mother got a mohawk, mother got a mohawk. Okay, now you can go. Toodaloo.